Okay, I'm going to take you through the steps of posting a discussion and replying to somebody else's discussion. So in or in Module 12, you guys are going to start working on your final project, and there's a series of discussions that you will have to participate in. So I'm going to take you through the steps of what a discussion looks like, how to post to a discussion, how to respond. So let's go ahead and jump into Module 12. And as you can see here, there are several tabs under Module 12. And these tabs have different discussions on them. So just click through, and again, it's going to be a little while before you get here, but when you get to when you get to November 14th and through 20th, you're going to click on that tab and it'll take you into what you have to do for that week. So, for example, we have one set up here for November 28th through December 4th. I'm going to click on that tab, and we have a discussion set up in here. And this is the discussion here. This is the questions that it wants you to respond to, and these are your deadlines. So you have to post your discussion, and remember, you're going to be working with your group, and you are going to post to the discussion, and that's called a thread, and then you are going to reply to the other group's discussion threads. So let's go ahead and get started. To create a thread, I'm going to click on this link here. And again, this is the information that you are discussing. So you want to make sure that you talk about each one of these three questions in your discussion. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right, and here we are. Here are the questions we're answering, and we're going to start a thread. So I would suggest that you put your group number in there when you create your title. So make sure your group number is part of your title up here. Okay, so I created a thread, gave it a title. I typed in my response here. You can add attachments, so if there's documents and things that you want to include that support your response to the discussion, go ahead and add your attachments, and then you're going to post. Okay, so now here is Group 1 Flow Control Valve. That is the thread that they created, or the discussion post. So now if somebody else wanted to come in and look at your discussion, they can go to the module, and they're going to open up the discussion by clicking on the title, just like you did to create your thread. And instead of starting new thread, they are going to see your post here, and then they can click on the title of your post or your thread and go in, and now they can reply to that. All right, that's all there is to creating your discussion and replying to somebody else's discussion. So just pay attention to these big blue buttons, and they'll kind of take you through step by step. Now, one thing that might be a little bit different in the discussions when you're looking at these, I can't give you a really good example because I'm a fake student and I don't belong to a group. But when you come into your discussions will actually be posted under this link that says Final Project Group. And then your discussions are going to show up here, but it's the same thing. You just click on the discussion, it takes you in, you start a thread, and then once the other students post, you go in, you look at what they have to say, and then you reply to their thread. So you start a thread when you want to create a discussion. You reply to a thread when you want to respond to somebody else's discussion. So it's very easy to participate in, and you shouldn't have any problem at all. I hope that helps you get through your discussion.